Master the art of tag questions with imperative sentences. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of conversational English, tag questions. Specifically, we'll discuss how to use them with imperative sentences. This topic might sound a bit complex, but worry not. We're here to make it clear and fun for you. First things first, what are imperative sentences? They are commands or requests that we use to tell someone to do something. They usually end with a period, but they can also end with an exclamation point if they're particularly forceful or urgent. Examples: close the door, be careful. Now, let's combine these imperative sentences with tag questions. Tag questions are small questions at the end of statements, used to confirm or check information or ask for agreement. When we combine tag questions with imperative sentences, we turn a command into a polite request or a suggestion. The typical structure is command plus, won't you? Examples: close the door, won't you? Be careful, won't you? This makes the request softer and more polite. Isn't that great? There are a few special cases you should know when using tag questions with imperative sentences. Here's a notable one. When we use let's, short for let us, in imperative sentences, the tag question is usually, shall we? Example: let's go to the park, shall we? The tag question here invites the listener to agree with the suggestion, making it a friendly, cooperative statement. And that's it. You've learned how to use tag questions with imperative sentences. With a little practice, you'll start using them naturally in your everyday conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new thing you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, won't you? We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!